Let's begin. Tonight's meditation invites you to pause, right where you are, just as you are. Notice your body and the surface beneath you, how it fully supports your weight. There's nowhere to go and nothing to prove. You made it here, and that's enough for tonight. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze if that feels easier. Let your arms and legs rest, feeling the subtle comfort that builds with stillness. High achievers often feel like a mind in overdrive, always planning, doing, reviewing. Imagine, just for these next few minutes, that you could place your thoughts on a soft, floating cloud. Watch them drift without needing to fix or follow them. Now, picture a mountain climber, someone who always seeks the summit. Tonight, though, he rests in a comfortable cabin halfway up. He knows that tomorrow he'll climb higher, but for now, his only job is to rest. He sets down his heavy pack. He unlaces his boots and puts his maps away. The fire crackles, and outside, snow quietly falls. In that cabin, all ambitions can wait until morning. Take a slow, full breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. Then exhale softly, letting your thoughts drift even further away. If you find your mind circling back to work, to-do lists, or yesterday's challenges, that's completely normal. Each time, gently acknowledge the thought, then return your focus to your breath or the mountain cabin in your mind. With every breath, you settle more deeply into your own resting space. Notice the ease that comes from allowing yourself to to pause. If your body wants to sigh, let it. Muscles in your face, shoulders, and hands can let go of tension now. Imagine the interior of the mountain cabin, wooden beams, the glow of firelight, cozy blankets. The outside world is silent. Nothing needs your attention except rest. Here's something to remember. The climber's real strength comes not from endless reaching, but from knowing when to pause. In stillness, he gathers energy and clarity, ready for the paths ahead. Your achievements are safe while you rest. Nothing can slip away in these next few hours. You can unlace your mental boots, set down your own pack, and let your mind wander further into sleep. Let yourself be rocked gently by your own easy breathing, as though the cabin itself is carrying you toward dreams. If your thoughts return, place them on those gentle clouds. Let them float quietly away. Sink further into calm. Rest in the knowledge that letting go tonight is an act of strength, not weakness. Now, begin to let go of even these words, fading into your own peaceful sleep soon. In a moment, you can drift off completely or slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes if you need to return. Breathe in, and as you exhale, notice your body still and warm. If sleep comes, let it.